Good morning, dear friends. High Intelligence provide technology-based services. You will receive useful tips and tricks of daily use technology. Thank you. Dear friends, today let us see how to install Google Pay. Just go to Play Store. Just go to Play Store. Go to Google Pay. Search. Now click Install. Google Pay is downloading. Just wait a minute. Just wait for a few more minutes. Now click Open. Now enter the phone number which is linked to our bank account. So I have linked this phone number to my bank account. If you don't link the phone number which is linked to bank account to Google Pay, then this Google Pay will not work. So since my phone number I have linked it to my bank account, it will work. Now click Next. Let's edit it. I'm changing my Google account. That is my personal account, so let me this is my personal account, so let me click Next. So enter OTP which is sent to this number, so wait for OTP entered. Since it is Android phone, it will automatically enter your OTP. So verification successful. Now you can set this screen lock, or you can use Google Pay. I am using a 4-digit Google Pay. Now click Continue. I am using the PIN. Okay, I have set a Google Pay. Now you can start a new payment. Okay, click OK. Welcome back to Google Pay. For your security, your account has been disabled temporarily on Google Pay. Do you want to restore that? Yes. Click Yes. Because I already have uninstalled the Google Pay just for this video. How to install Google Pay. So once we uninstall Google Pay, automatically get temporarily disabled. Now I want to restore it. Do you want to restore them? Yes. Okay. So this bank account was inactive since I have disabled. Now let me activate it. Okay. So click Activate. Verifying mobile number with partner bank. Activating bank account. Allow Google Pay to send and view SMS. Click allow. Again, click allow. Find ICICI bank account linked to this number. Okay. Click OK. You have sent an SMS from your phone to verify your number with your bank. Standard operating charges apply. Click OK. Now activating bank account. Verified mobile number. Okay. And also activated the bank account. Okay. So now this is the process how to install Google Pay. Now you can start making payment. Okay. If you click new payment, you can able to pay to whoever you want. Okay. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.